All right, let us discuss a new root which is dogma. Dogma is set of beliefs. There is another root which is doctrine, which is similar to dogma. That is also set of beliefs, certain principles. Now, you know this word doctrine, we often use it when we discuss a religious doctrine. For example, the Bible. The Bible is a doctrine which has teachings of Christianity, which has set of beliefs, principles related to Christianity. So we often use this word doctrine to describe a religious document, because a religious document is all about certain beliefs and principles. But the Bible says there are 10 commandments. So all these are beliefs and principles. Even the word dogma also means set of beliefs. Now, there is a word based on dogma, and that is dogmatic. Dogma itself is a word, by the way. And apart from dogma, there is a word dogmatic. Now, dogmatic, there's a word similar to doctrine, which is, there's a word based on doctrine, which is also similar to dogmatic. So, I will discuss these two words at the same time. And that word is doctrinia. Okay, so doctrinia and this dogmatic, both of them are similar to each other. Now, what do they mean? A doctrinia person or a dogmatic person. These two words are often used to describe a person who is extremely stubborn and inflexible, right? These people always try to impose a certain set of beliefs, and they believe that their beliefs and principles should be followed, or they always behave according to their own beliefs and principles. So they are very inflexible. They don't change their dogmas, they don't change their beliefs and principles, even though it is not practically possible to follow them. So a doctrinaire person or a dogmatic person is a person who is highly inflexible. So opposite to dogmatic and even doctrinaire is a practical person or pragmatic. Okay, so cross is opposite to each other. So dogmatic is opposite to pragmatic is opposite to dogmatic. A pragmatic person is a person who is very flexible and always keeps his eyes on outcomes. So they change their beliefs whenever it is necessary to change, because if they stick to their beliefs unnecessarily, they will not get the desired outcomes. So pragmatic person is a highly practical person, and dogmatic person is highly inflexible, stubborn person. Now I'll discuss one more word based on doctrine, and that word is indoctrinate. Indoctrinate. It is a verb which begins with in. It is a prefix in. And whenever in is a prefix, it sometimes means not or sometimes means into. So when we say inadequate is not adequate, but when we say in box, it is into the box. So this is indoctrinate. Here in means into. So to indoctrinate is to put your beliefs, your doctrine into someone's mind. In short, you influence a person with your set of beliefs, right? For example, he was indoctrinated. He was indoctrinated with jihadi belief. Okay, which means that he was supposed to have a belief in jihadi belief without questioning the belief. So when you are indoctrinated, you are highly influenced with certain beliefs.